Chelsea against Leeds. Chelsea will be looking for revenge. Remember, they lost to Leeds 3-1 in the reverse game in December, where they were battered, bruised, and then packing in that game at Elland Road in Yorkshire a couple of weeks ago, a month and a half ago. And then, of course, Man United, can they get a fifth win of the season? They are at the London Stadium. That's a tricky game for them because West Ham are also fighting for survival. They won over the weekend. They beat Burnley by 2-0 to push their way to push themselves out of the relegation. Just remind you, this is how the league table looks like after the weekend fixtures. Arsenal top on 56 points, Man City second on 50, Aston Villa third on 47, Man United fourth on 44, Chelsea fifth on 43, Liverpool sixth on 39, same as Brentford, Everton eighth on 37, Sunderland ninth on 36, and then Fulham completing the top 10 on 34 points. In the bottom three, the teams who are most likely to be relegated this season: Wolves at the bottom on 8 points, Burnley on 19th on 15 points, and then West Ham at 18th on 23 points. Remember also, Nottingham Forest are not very far from this relegation zone. They lost to Leeds on Friday night by 3-0, so they're very much in the drop zone in the Premier League. So those are your fixtures for today. There will be more games tomorrow. Absolutely, more games tomorrow. The games, of course, are coming in thick and fast because this weekend we don't have the Premier League, we have the FA Cup. So those are your Premier League fixtures. Tell us who you think is going to win in today's fixtures, and let's see how things will pan out. We'll be doing a recap of tonight's games in tomorrow's show.